Hello guys, today I will tell you about the weldments, that how to use weldments in SOLIDWORKS. For creating any weldments, we need to a sketch which I have created already. You can see. After creating sketch, we'll go weldments, structure member, then select standard, so types, rectangular tube, size. I will select 15 to 30. Then click on groups. Select sketch. The sketch. Click on sketch. It is not connected with this sketch and different direction. So for this we have to create new group. Then select sketch. Okay. There are mirror profile and locate profile. Locate profile, we can locate profile from here. Click on locate profile. Select any point where you want to locate the profile, like this. This. If you want to again locate, then you have to click on locate again, then click on locate point. Locate profile. Mirror profile, you can the profile mirror from here, horizontally or vertically, like this. Yeah, I'll locate profile again in the center, then click on OK. We can hide the sketch. The next is trim, extend. Trim or extend. Then click on trim or extend. How to use trim? Body to be trimmed. Then select body to be trimmed. Then select trimming boundaries, which may be face, plane or body. Body mean completely body, then face plane, you can understand, face or plane. So I will select face or plane. This face and this face. This body also. then okay. Structural member is ready. Next is end cap. For end cap we need to select a face where we want to use the end cap. Select face, select thickness, chamfer corners 3 mm, okay. The next is gussets. For gussets we need to select two faces where we will use the gussets. The first face is that and second face is this. Gusset has been created. You can move the gussets left, thickness left, right or center. Gussets location left, right, center. You can from the offset just click on offset, but I will not offset it. Thickness 10 mm and okay. It is not in center, that I will edit it. Click on middle, then okay. The weldment is completed. Thanks.